close your eyes. Imagine a child is learning. Where do you see that child? What do you see around that child? Who is around that child? Usually, when we ask this question, we see people looking at a blackboard, maybe a desk, a few books, or a classroom. For us, learning looks a little bit different. For us, learning looked like looking at each other and really immersing ourselves in each other's emotions. For us, learning looked like spreading love and laughter through our messages and painting the walls for the universe to see. At Teach for India, a few years ago, we started asking ourselves questions. We started debating about what does an excellent education really mean? What does it mean for children to create change, for them to take charge of their communities, for them to take charge of their lives, for them to find their light and spread it and become student leaders? That started our story. It started our journey at Udyami, where we started a student leadership pilot in Delhi, where we wanted kids to revolutionize their communities, revolutionize their lives. We didn't know what was going to come up next, and it was a complete roller coaster. How were we supposed to sell this idea of revolutionizing lives and convince children that their dreams are possible when they were 4 to 5 years behind what their class is meant to be? When struggling for water was a daily struggle. They didn't have their books. Their parents were struggling every day. Injustice was an accepted norm, क्योंकि जिंदगी तो ऐसे ही काटनी है. Everything had become so gray that they were so scared to even step into their shadow. How could we even talk about light? We weren't expecting them to be eloquent and lead the change, but they were stumbling to even put words together. It's been incredible, indescribable, and I don't know if I have enough time to describe how long and what this year has meant for all of us. It's been blood, sweat, tears, highs, lows, love, joy, laughter. And I don't know if we've created student leaders, and I don't know if we've revolutionized anything at all. But what I do know is that we've learned to stand in our own truth. We've learned to own ourselves. They're not afraid of shadows and they stand proudly in their light. They know what it means to have a voice, and words aren't so difficult. We can string sentences together, and we know what it means to have a voice. A great leader once wrote, "Having your voice means to have blood in your body. It means to have willpower in your wrist. I am a voice, and I am change." But I'm not going to carry on. You can hear from the writers themselves.
When somebody asked me, "Are you a leader?" I said, "Me? Not at all, yaar. Lock that up." Because I'm going to tell you that to explore the same question, I went to Udyami. And the first class of Udyami taught me that if you want to see, you have to close your eyes. And believe me, it felt like crowd where whispering and murmuring was there. And in that web of voice, finding my tiny voice was very difficult. And my companions felt the same. Every 2 days, coming and going back was like an adventure. An adventure where lots of stops are there. But each stop makes us responsible. Where each stop tells us more deeply the friendship between power and responsibility. There are some bad moments as well. And when they came, it felt like just sitting alone. Every day, we see some people, but with different perspective and with a different specs. And we get to learn that even the person is same, but the person who is hiding inside them is like an ocean, filled with love, learnings and new experiences, who always try to tell their life stories as an open room. This adventure also introduced me to the lives who lives around me. Udyami for me has been a very unique journey with some very unique moments. Just because of the steps taken by you, which help us to find I and to find the leader who is hiding inside me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for building this great memory in my life. I will remember it till I die. And now when somebody asks me, are you a leader? I say, yes, of course I am a leader.
The journey of life like a string of kite. The life was in dark with the flow of sadness. The sadness was my injustice story, which was breaking me from inside. I was alone at that time. My assumption was no one will understand me. This was a thought eating me from inside. थी सहमी और डरी हुई, छुपी छुपी सी लड़की, शर्म थी आवाज नहीं, यूं ही चलती रहती। इतने सालों बाद भी महसूस करती अपना अतीत, डर लगता है आज भी, यहाँ से और वहाँ से जा सकती है जिंदगी। एक छोटी सी लड़की जीती जिंदगी दूसरों के लिए, आंखों में आंसू पर किसी और के, आज नहीं उसका कल नहीं उसका, सोचती रहती उसका दिन आएगा भी कभी। द जर्नी ऑफ लाइफ आई हैव टू अलाइव। सोचा नहीं था कभी कि ज़िंदगी इतनी गहरी होगी, जब एक सूखा बीज फूल बनेगा, खुद के लिए नहीं दूसरों के लिए, उसका सपना भी पूरा होगा। खुद को जाना और पहचाना बिकॉज ऑफ TFI and Udyami. They both built my strength in the form of values and skills. They just want me to do hard work to get my passion and dreams. They both taught me एक राह और एक चाह, एक ही जैसी जिंदगी, जैसे एक टुकड़े से बना पहाड़ और एक बूंद से नदी। TFI taught me what is a leader. Udyami created me such a leader. खुद से चाहूँ खुद को ही, है मेरे सारे सपने, दूर हो मेरी कमियाँ, बढ़ जाएं उम्मीदें। पूरी कहानी एक जिंदगानी लफ्ज़ों से कर दी है बयां, मुश्किल सफ़र लंबी डगर, अब चलना है हमें साथियाँ। The journey of life is completed with smiles. Thank you.